Imagine this, you're in a video call and half the team is checked out staring blankly at their screens. It's frustrating, right? With KYZON Space, that's a thing of the past. This browser-based platform lets you upload and edit documents in real time during your meetings. No downloads, no hassle. You can pull up ad copy or client deliverables and collaborate seamlessly. Worried about lag? KYZON Space syncs presentations across everyone's screens, so attendees can flip through slides without interrupting the flow. Plus, with integrations for Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive, accessing important files is a breeze. Capture notes, take screenshots, and even record meetings for those who can't attend. Breakout rooms allow for private discussions, and then you can rejoin the main meeting with just a click. Say goodbye to one-sided presentations and hello to productive, engaging meetings with KYZON Space. Get lifetime access today and transform the way your team collaborates.